nutrition plants. Nutrition means mode of food intake. They are capable of utilizing it for the life process activity. Okay. Nutrition plants takes place with the help of root, stem and leaves. Root absorbs water and minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron and nitrogen from the soil. It absorbs nitrogen in the form of nitrate. Okay, the root absorbs nitrogen in the form of nitrate. The water absorbed from the soil has to transport from the root to the leaves with the help of specialized tissue called xylem. Okay, xylem helps in the transportation of water from root to the leaf through stem. Okay, via stem it transports the water from the root to the leaves. Okay, xylem helps in the water transportation of plants. Now the leaves got water from the root for the photosynthetic activity. Now how plants obtain CO2 for the photosynthetic activity? For that we have to see the structure of leaves. The leaves consist of three layers. The outer layer, middle layer and inner layer. The outer layer is known as the outer epidermis, middle layer is known as the middle epidermis of mesophyll and the inner layer is known as the inner epidermis. The leaves consist of large number of openings and pores called stomatas. The singular open or pore is known as the stoma. The singular opening is known as the stoma. The large number of opens are known as stomatas. The singular open is known as the stoma. Each stoma is covered with the God cells. Okay. Each stoma is covered with the two God cells. The God cells looks like a kidney shape and it consists of nucleus and large number of chloroplast which contains chlorophyll, the green pigment for the photosynthetic activity. Actually, the photosynthetic activity takes place in the palisade parenchyma cell and spongic parenchyma cell of chlorophyll in mesophyll. Okay, the palisade parenchyma cell and spongic parenchyma cells are present in the chlorophyll of mesophills. Okay, the God cells help in the opening and closing of the stomatas. When water flows inside the God cells get bulged and it makes the stomata to open. Stomatas helps in the gaseous exchange. When stomatas open, the leaves takes the carbon dioxide for the photosynthetic activity. Okay. When water comes out from the God cells, the God cells get shrink and it makes the stomatas to be closed. Okay. It makes the stomatas to be closed. When water goes inside the God cells, it gets bulged and makes the stomata to be open. And when water comes out from the God cells, it gets shrink and makes the stomata to be closed. Okay. Then the outer wall of the God cells will be thinner compared to the inner wall. Okay. The outer wall will be thinner when compared to the inner wall. Okay. The types of leaves are monocot leaves and dicot leaves. Okay. Monocot leaves are also known as the narrow leaves. Dicot leaves are known as the broad leaves. The number of stomatas present in the monocot leaves are same in both the upper layer and the lower layer. Means the number of stomatas will be the same in upper epidermis and the lower epidermis. Okay. In monocot leaves. But in dicot leaves, the number of stomatas present in the lower layer will be higher than that of the upper layer. The number of stomatas present in the dicot leaves, that is the broad leaves, will be higher than that of the upper layer.
All living organisms need energy to live. They get energy from the food only. The food which animals get directly or indirectly comes from the green plants. Means animals depends on green plants for their food. And plants depends on sunlight for their food. Means it depends on sunlight for the photosynthetic activity. During photosynthesis only, the plants can synthesize the food with the help of chlorophyll. Plant cell can change shape with the help of cytoskeleton present in the cytoplasm. This is very important, please note down. This plant cell can change shape with the help of cytoskeleton, which is present in the cytoplasm. Okay students, till now we have seen about nutrition in plants, and in next class we can discuss about the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, thank you.